get some air out of squishies with me. I just did a video getting air out of my very first squishy. It was kind of terrifying. And I did the strawberry. It's very deflated now. But I don't really care. So we're gonna do this cat first. So first I'm gonna get all of the air into like one section, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay. And now I'm just gonna, I'm actually still scared even though I've done this before. 1, 2. It won't pop. Was it a sign that I shouldn't do it? There's like, okay, the foam. That happened with the last one too. Oh my gosh, it still looks so good, but I missed some air. Okay, it's actually still so good. It's a little bit deflated. But other than that, it's still really good. Okay, next up, I really like the squishy, so I don't want this to go bad. But a pineapple squishy, it just made a fart sound. Oh, my dog just got scared of the fart sound. Okay, I can't really see through this one because it's like all white. So I'm just gonna go for it. 1, 2. No! Oh my god, I loved this squishy. Y'all, this is why I hesitate before doing everything. I'm never getting air out of squishies again. I can still squish it, but I have to put my hand over the hole for it like to not come out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I said I was never gonna get air out of squishy again, but it's a fake dumpling, so nothing to worry about. This is my first ever dumpling. It's a fake dumpling. Well, there is not really a thing as a fake dumpling, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I have some of the air right here. Oh my gosh. I don't want this to pop. I feel like it was just that like squishy texture that made it like, oh my gosh, this is so hard to get the air in one. I really hope this doesn't pop, but no. Okay, got the air out. No. It's still kind of good though. Bye.